access option, it's easy to zero in on that perfect employee.
Alright guys, we're at the 2-week mark with the baby angelfish. So, I was checking them out this morning, and I'm pretty happy. I mean, there are a ton still in here. And what I've noticed is that I can see, you may not be able to with this camcorder, but I can see that their stomachs are darker, so I know they've been eating. I mean, I've been going crazy with the water changes. Every day, about an hour after I feed them, I'll change 33% of the water. It's a 15-gallon tank, so it's easy for me. I just do 5 gallons, 1 bucket, you know. And that takes care of it, but I think there's at least 50 fry still in here. I'm really surprised. Very happy too, of course. But yeah. So there's my update. 2 weeks. Baby angelfish. Peace out.